Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to turn off auto updates in Facebook Messenger and Facebook application. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see started. Okay guys, first of all open your Android mobile phone and after that open a Facebook Messenger. Okay guys, after that click on a photo icon. Now scroll down and now you can see that option is a app updates. So simply click on it and you can use turn off the first two options, auto update Messenger, and turn off it, and after that turn off use mobile data important updates. So turn off it both. So after that go back and after that open a Facebook application. After that click on these three lines, scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Now click on first option is settings. Okay guys, scroll down and find out media and contacts. So simply click on it and after that scroll down and now you can see that app updates. So simply click on it and turn off auto Facebook update, and if you are unable it, then you can turn off these both options, auto update Facebook and use mobile data for important updates. So this is a way to turn off auto updates in Facebook Messenger and Facebook application. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.